First, connect to Wi-Fi or your phone's hotspot. Next, open the Settings app, then go to About Settings. Check and record both the system version and MCU version. Now, head to Factory Settings and enter the password, 123456. Go to Select Model and tap Config 5 times to get into the Canbus data interface. The protocol data screen will appear. Click Close Window to open the protocol data floating window. Next, use the original car function that isn't working. For example, if the lock settings cannot be saved in the car settings app, please recheck the box to display the protocol data. The floating window will show any incorrect protocol data. This helps engineers identify the issue and fix it. While filming, make sure the protocol data is visible.